3 per unit. Fixed manufacturing overhead 150,000. Fixed selling and administrative expenses 100,000. Right? So you would be given data with with its behavior, where variable and fixed. Now, so this is also Harvey company produces a single product with the following information available. So they are producing annually 25,000 units, not the dollars, units. So their variable costing per unit are like this. Their direct material, direct labor, and variable manufacturing overhead 10. Variable selling and administrative cost 3. Fixed cost data is like that. Manufacturing overhead fixed 150. Fixed selling and admin 100,000. So what is the unit cost under each method? Can you calculate? Ayana, Minsu, Leo, Stella. We just completed that. What is the product cost or unit cost? Under absorption, direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. Total manufacturing overhead. So can we calculate here? So that would be 25,000 multiplied by 10. To 50,000 direct. And we have 150,000 as well, which is fixed. So the question itself mentioned direct material, direct labor, and variable manufacturing overhead. Under under absorption costing, we do include fixed manufacturing overhead as well, 150,000. Answer would be here. How much? 400,000, right? 400,000 divided by units 25,000. What is the answer here? Are we doing good? Here we go. Direct material 10. What is the answer? It should be greater than this one. You see here? Here. 10 to 50,000. Okay. Okay, yes, you're right. I made a mistake here. So, under absorption costing, like we just discussed here, the absorption costing product costs include direct material, direct labor, manufacturing overhead, and manufacturing overhead both fixed and variable. So you see here, 10 is direct material plus direct labor plus variable manufacturing overhead. We also include fixed manufacturing overhead as well. So in addition to this 10, so which part is going to be included? This 3? Answer is no. Why? Because this is variable selling and admin. That belongs to our period cost, not the product cost, not the unit cost. So fixed manufacturing overhead, 150,000 units are 25,000. If you calculate that, answer would be 6 here. So that would be 16. All right. So 16 would be our absorption costing. And what is our variable costing? Because variable costing only include the variable manufacturing overhead. Come on. Variable manufacturing overhead. So variable manufacturing overhead is included here. So 10 is the variable cost per unit. Right? So under absorption costing, all production costs, variable and fixed, are included when determining the unit product cost. Under variable costing, only the variable production cost are included in product cost. So only the difference between variable costing and absorption costing is fixed manufacturing overhead, difference of 6. So this also proves that absorption costing cost is greater than variable costing cost, right? Should we move further? Okay, so if you understand this concept, so I'm going to making a breakout room. Please do calculate the absorption costing and variable costing unit product cost. Okay, so take a picture. Meanwhile, I am going to establish a breakout room. So that would be your group activity, okay? Not the individual activity. Which means I want you to discuss here as well. So I'm going to give you 10 minutes to do that. Let's start. Wait a second. Okay. Please accept breakout room. William, Jackie, Camila, please accept. Camila. Jackie, can you hear me? Jackie.
Absorption costing, compute unit product cost. So it's direct materials.
Yeah, direct labor.
Okay, any question?
Not yet.
Okay.
Let me to.
Okay, everyone. Can you please share the screen here so that everybody can see? That would be easy for you guys to have discussion.
I don't know which screen. What do you mean?
Who has the question? Can you?
Oh,
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh yeah, it's easier.
Okay. Now we can solve it together. And this is a group activity, okay, Crystal?
Yeah, we are doing.
Okay. If you have any question, you can call me to the group.
Sir, do we have to calculate the selling and administration, the period cost?
No, only
Oh, okay.
product cost.
Just okay. Thank you.
Okay, guys, can you please share the screen here? Who has a question here? Share screen.
It's on my phone, sir.
Anybody else can do that? Lenny, Camila, Leo. That would be very easy
I also took.
to have discussion.
Sorry.
That would be very easy for you to have discussion.
Oh.
Okay, I think I shared the picture Ayana sent me.
Okay, good.
Thank you. We can't see anything, I guess.
Can you make a zoom in?
Yeah, can you zoom it, please?
Okay. So only you have to calculate the unit cost, not the period cost, okay?
Sir,
Okay.
units of products in general or the one sold?
What, Ayana?
Units produced or units sold?
That is nothing to do with the sold price. It's unit produced.
Oh,
Because
okay.
we are using costing. Costing that has nothing to do with the sales. Okay, remember this one.
So we always. Okay, I got it.
Whichever is the method, right? When you use costing method, so the sales units are like extra data like that.
Okay.
Okay, if you have any question, please do call me here.
Okay, sir.
And this is a group activity. When you are done with that, please send the picture to the group. Okay, welcome back after breakout room activity. So compare your answer here, right?